Welcome to Wessex Garages in Newport. Today we have for you the Kia Picanto 1.1 litre Domino 5-door. This vehicle's in black and it's a petrol manual. This vehicle was first registered in 2011 and has 2 previous owners. And your fuel economy on the vehicle will be at 58.6 miles to the gallon on a combined cycle, currently placing the vehicle into tax band B. Decent sized boot space there with a 60-40 rear seat split with eventuality into pop seats down to accommodate some extra luggage. And then moving into the rear of the vehicle, and in the back then you've got a full cloth interior run right the way through the vehicle, all in excellent condition, with 2 seats in the rear fitted with 3-point seat belts, headrests, and all equipped with ISOFIX. Into the front of the vehicle then, and you've got your onto the centre console, your CD and radio display. Moving down from there then, you'll also find your air climate controls, as well as your power outlet for your various gadgets as well. On the main dash then, you see that this vehicle's done 41,755 miles. Thank you for watching this vehicle today. A quick reminder, this vehicle will come in the remainder of the 7-year Kia warranty. For more information on the vehicle, don't hesitate to click on the link in the video. It's additionally where you can book yourself a test drive of the vehicle, but for all other inquiries, don't hesitate to come down into our showroom or phone with our friendly sales team. We'll be glad to help you out with any inquiries that you have on this vehicle. Thank you for watching this video from Wessex Garages.
Every Wessex Garages used car receives a vehicle health check from our qualified technicians. Reserve online today and you'll receive a £25 discount. If you're looking for options to fund your purchase, remember we guarantee to beat any bank or high street lender. For further details or to book a test drive, call your local Wessex Garages sales team or click the link to our website for a choice of over 600 used cars. Wessex Garages, the intelligent choice.